Latest research and development. 1. Hubble just exposed a rare and violent star collision. 2. Scientists create mysterious molecule that could spark life in space. 3. Bridge of stray stars reveals two massive galaxies tearing each other apart. 4. This ancient smile hid a psychoactive secret for 4,000 years. In a groundbreaking discovery, scientists have found chemical traces of betel nut chewing in 4,000-year-old teeth from a Bronze Age burial in Thailand, the earliest direct evidence of psychoactive plant use in Southeast Asia. 5. Scientists unearthed 247-million-year-old wonder fossil unlike anything seen before. An international team of researchers has published a groundbreaking study in Nature, revealing that early reptiles from the Triassic period had distinctive skin structures that served as an alternative to feathers. 6. New discovery rewrites the rules of protein stability and evolution. A large-scale experiment has uncovered the fundamental rules that govern protein stability, opening the door to more rapid development of drugs and enzymes. 7. Fermented fruit, buzzed apes, and the surprising roots of our alcohol tolerance. Long before humans brewed their first beer, our primate ancestors may have been getting buzzed on fallen, fermented fruit. 8. Doctors noticed lupus patients get better with age. Now we know why. 9. Eat more, weigh less. Why whole foods are the real weight loss hack. A UCL-led study found that people eating minimally processed foods lost nearly twice the weight of those on ultra-processed diets, even when calories and nutrients were matched. 10. The tomato twist that created the potato 9 million years ago. Scientists have finally uncovered the ancient secret behind the potato's origin, and it involves an unexpected genetic romance. 11. Magic. Cleaning sponges found to release trillions of microplastic fibers. Melamine sponges may be magic when it comes to scrubbing away grime, but they're releasing an invisible mess into the environment, trillions of microplastic fibers every month. 12. Europa's bizarre hotspot. Scientists may have solved a long-standing space mystery. Europa's surface chemistry hints at life-supporting conditions below. Lab tests reveal how peroxide forms in unexpected places. 13. Scientists were wrong. Apollo 16 rocks rewrite the story of the Moon's exosphere. Where does the Moon's exosphere originate? A study by Tu Vien, based on analysis of actual lunar rock, shows that the impact of solar wind icons in eroding the Moon's surface has been greatly overestimated. 14. Alan Turing Institute. Humanities are key to the future of AI. Thanks for watching this video.